designed as a plain white box, floating without a central pillar for a cleaner eye-level view. Front and back courtyards are connected. The clean wall will be opaque when viewed from outside for privacy. The building was designed for a simple and minimal component, showing proportion aesthetics instead of showing other components. The living room is a center of connection for all functions. The building is double-spaced in parallel with the outside swimming pool. All important functions, living, swimming, cooking, working, and resting were utilized from the same space. All areas are mainly warm white, light gray, and wood color. For the pantry area, it was designed to look smarter with black materials in contrast with other areas. All main areas are designed to be able to see trees, with their own courtyard. Overall green areas are set in the simplest fashion, as there is already an original main tree.